It's another weekend, November 18th, 2023. Tyler Hayes here, coming to you from Ladysmith with a video lined up for you northbound on the way. Let's check them out. Citirail will lead it. PTC capable. Which one are you? 2754 again. The new 3337 from the second batch. How about that? My first PTC capable Ex-Citirail seen on this northbound. How wonderful. And my next C6M rebuild. M357 M357 91 of the 17th. Starting from Markham Yard in Auburndale, Illinois. Heading up Civic Yard in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. Nice! Biggest highlight of the day for sure. Even though this is actually my first one though for this afternoon. Oh my. Class of 357. CTTX 690 827. And the train device is going! And that is going to do it for the M357 91 of the 17th. And for the Ex-Citirail of the 2754 to lead it. And the next C6M rebuild of the new 3337. Oh my! That is just plain awesome. That will do it for this video at Ladysmith. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great evening. I'll see you next time, and I hope I'll see you along the main line. Tyler Hayes out.